Well, as you can see, I can't exactly work on my deck right now, so this is going to have to wait for spring. So what do you do in the meantime? Well, I'm building a rack for my tires. I've got a full set of rims for both cars, so I've had a stack of tires in the back corner of my shed here, which is taking up what I consider to be valuable real estate. Floor space in a 100 square foot shed's kind of crucial. So I could put them here, because I don't really need this spot. I don't stand there, the door's not there, it's not going to block anything, so this is perfect. So what I'm going to do is build a rack that's it's just got to be big enough to hold 8 wheels and rims. So I'm going to put these two bars, they're 34 inches long, and the sideways bit is 12 inches. And I'm going to hang them from the roof and then put side rails, and the tires will stand on those sideways rails. These are just to support the weight of the 2 rails. So let's get these mounted and see what it looks like. It has occurred to me I'm going to have to grind these screw tips off proper quick like, because my tires are going to be near them. Okay, looks good so far, except, crap! What happened? Well, I measured my winter tires. These are the all-season tires, and on both cars, the all-season tires are wider. It makes sense now that I'm thinking about it in retrospect, but it didn't occur to me at the time. So now, my rack is a perfect size for my winter tires and no good for my all-season tires. So let's change these lower railings, make them a little bigger. I can't make this gap any different, and it is 30 inches. Well, it's 32 minus an inch and a half, so it's like 30 and 1/2 inches, and all of my tires, these ones, the spring tires, are wider than that, so I can't get any 4 tires between those two. But I can make this rail slightly bigger so that I can get 3 tires out on this end of it. And then I'll just add some more support, one beam reaching up there. And I think that should take care of it. So, let's get to work. It's hard to do cutscenes if you gotta start and stop your camera with gloves on. But it is incredibly cold outside. Woo! Whoops. So there you go, the Canadian Tire Rack. It's a little bigger than I wanted it to be, but who cares? Now I guess it's slightly stronger because I've had to add another arm to this end just to make sure that there was good enough support. So there'll be more room when I put my winter tires back on it, but this gives me all sorts of floor space. Love it.